Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Play Store app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps is here. In there you're looking for Play Store app, or just click on search. Then here add Google Play Store app. So just add here Google Play Store app. It's going to show for you here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. When you just click here on Play Store, it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.